All right, let's dive straight in. Science has made some truly bizarre discoveries. Things so weird, they sound more like science fiction than reality. From gooey dinosaur bones to invisible parts of the universe, these are the mysteries that left scientists scratching their heads.
Number 9.
Dinosaur Goo. Picture this, a 68-million-year-old T-Rex bone, cracked open, and inside, not dust, not rock, but something squishy. Paleontologist Mary Schweitzer dissolved part of the fossil in acid and found stretchy blood vessels and what looked like red blood cells. This shouldn't be possible. Soft tissue isn't supposed to survive millions of years, but the iron in the dinosaur's blood acted like nature's embalming fluid, preserving the tissue like an accidental mummy. At first, many scientists didn't even believe it. Yet there it was, dinosaur goo you could stretch like a rubber band. So next time you see a T-Rex skeleton, just remember, some prehistoric jelly might still be hiding inside.
Number 8.
The 95% we can't see. Here's a cosmic shocker. Everything we see, planets, stars, galaxies, makes up just 5% of the universe. The other 95%? Completely invisible. We call it dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter keeps galaxies from spinning apart, like cosmic glue. Dark energy? Even stranger. It's making the universe expand faster and faster, like a balloon inflating on its own. Nobody knows what dark energy actually is. It's like finding your phone battery mysteriously charging itself. Scientists only discovered it by accident, and now they're stuck trying to explain how they missed almost the entire universe.
Number 7.
The planet that wasn't there. In the 1800s, Mercury's orbit didn't match predictions. Instead of questioning physics, astronomers invented a new planet, Vulcan. For decades, they spotted Vulcan, swore it was real, and even gave awards for its discovery. But it was all a mistake, just sunspots and wishful thinking. Then Einstein arrived. His theory of relativity showed Mercury's orbit was being warped by the sun's curved spacetime. No hidden planet, just the fabric of the universe itself bending. Astronomers had spent half a century chasing a planet that never existed.
Number 6.
The end of order. 2 planets orbiting each other? Predictable. Add a third planet, and suddenly the universe goes chaotic. This is the three-body problem, where gravity between 3 objects creates such complex, unpredictable motion that even supercomputers can't calculate it long-term. Scientists once dreamed the universe was a perfect clockwork machine, but this discovery proved otherwise. From planetary orbits to tangled headphones, chaos is everywhere. The cosmos isn't a clock, it's a mosh pit.
Number 5.
The universe's worst prediction. Imagine being wrong, not by a little, but by 120 zeros. That's exactly what happened when scientists tried to calculate the energy of empty space. Quantum mechanics predicted it should be unimaginably huge, while Einstein's relativity said such energy would massively warp the universe. When combined, the math gave a terrifying result. Space itself should explode instantly, tearing everything apart. But when astronomers measured reality, they found almost nothing, just the faintest whisper of energy gently pushing galaxies apart. This colossal mismatch is called the vacuum catastrophe, the single biggest error in scientific history. It shows that our 2 best theories, quantum mechanics and general relativity, both brilliant on their own, completely fall apart when forced to work together.
Number 4.
The Pluto Problem. For decades, Pluto was celebrated as our beloved 9th planet, sitting quietly at the edge of the solar system. Then came a shocking discovery. Astronomers found Eris, a frozen world even bigger than Pluto, lurking beyond Neptune. Suddenly, a dilemma appeared. If Pluto counted as a planet, then Eris had to count too. And if Eris was in, so were hundreds of other icy worlds drifting in the Kuiper Belt. Instead of memorizing a list of 200 planets, scientists decided to rewrite the very definition of what a planet is. Pluto orbits the Sun and is round, but it fails one crucial test. It doesn't clear its neighborhood of debris. So in 2006, it was officially demoted to dwarf planet. Yet Pluto keeps orbiting, silently, unfazed by our human labels.
Number 3.
The Leaky black hole. Black holes were once thought to be perfect cosmic prisons, regions of space where gravity was so extreme that nothing, not even light, could ever escape. But then Stephen Hawking shocked the world with a revolutionary idea. At the edge of a black hole, the quantum vacuum isn't empty. Tiny particle-antiparticle pairs constantly pop into existence. Normally, they annihilate instantly, but near the event horizon, one particle can fall in while the other escapes into space. To an outside observer, it looks like the black hole is slowly leaking energy, what we now call Hawking radiation. Given enough time, this process makes black holes evaporate completely. But here's the paradox. What happens to all the information about the things that fell inside? Quantum mechanics insists information can't be destroyed, yet black holes seem to erase it. Something fundamental in our physics doesn't add up.
Number 2.
The cosmic speed limit, 186,282 miles per second, the speed of light. It's not just fast, it's the ultimate speed limit written into the fabric of the universe. Einstein's theory of relativity explains why. The faster you move, the more energy you need to keep accelerating. That extra energy doesn't just vanish, it makes you heavier. Get close to light speed, and your mass skyrockets. Try to actually hit the limit, and your mass becomes infinite, requiring infinite energy. That's why nothing with mass can ever reach, let alone exceed, the speed of light. So forget the sci-fi dream of casually zipping across galaxies. Even light itself needs 100,000 years to crawl across the Milky Way. Physics has locked us all into a kind of cosmic traffic jam with no shortcuts.
Number 1.
The water that wasn't. In the 1960s, Soviet scientists announced something astonishing. The discovery of polywater, a mysterious new form of water. Unlike ordinary H2O, this liquid was thicker, heavier, and nearly impossible to boil or freeze. To many, it seemed like an entirely new state of matter. Very quickly, panic spread across the scientific world. What if polywater wasn't stable? What if it could somehow infect regular water molecules, converting oceans, lakes, and even the water in our bodies into a sticky gel? Newspapers warned of a looming catastrophe, and the media labeled it a potential doomsday fluid. But after years of testing, the shocking truth finally emerged. Polywater wasn't exotic at all. It was just ordinary water, contaminated with sweat, oils, and soap from dirty lab glassware. The great threat was nothing more than bad hygiene. So there you have it. Dinosaurs with gooey insides, invisible universes, leaky black holes, and even water that wasn't real. Science is full of discoveries that challenge everything we think we know. And trust me, this is just the beginning. Subscribe, because we've got plenty more weirdness from the universe coming your way.